Welcome to another episode of Bees. Here we're going to talk about how you can build your own debugger and use time travel debugging and control time in lots of unusual ways. Let's say I'm running a little clock program and that's your target program, and you include a few hundred lines of code, and then you press Control Escape and you'll see a little sidebar on the left. There's a button in there that says freeze, and if we click the freeze button, we will freeze the program state at that particular moment in time, and it will have recorded all of the history of every keyboard event, every external event, every random number, all the things that can change. And those little squares down at the bottom represent the 43 different states of the program that it had from the time it started. And you can jump back to any one of those states, and when you jump back to the state, it'll redraw the screen as of that moment. This is like a black box system for an airplane. You can go back through the entire history of your program's execution, and you can send this to a remote computer. You can save it on the hard drive. It's fairly compact. It does not take gigabytes. It takes kilobytes for small programs to save the state. You can set a marker A, B, and C to any one of these particular points in the history. You can jump back to that time. Let's say you want to test the 3 different branches you take in your code. You just go back to point A and take a different branch. The ability to have a black box recorder for a graphical interactive software will help eliminate those cannot reproduce types of bugs that so plague our industry. This is a wonderful feature, and I hope you appreciate it.